welcome back to my channel. So this video is a little different than normal, but I'm basically showing you guys how I keep my press-ons on for more than a week without them popping off. And jumping right into this, we're going for step 1, which is to apply before bed. I'll go into a little more detail a little later on and tell you guys exactly why, but after that we're going to go ahead and jump into step 2, and that is to give yourself a mini manicure. So I did mine off camera as best that I could. I am not a professional, you guys, but basically all you want to do is trim your nails, and then you want to push your cuticles back and cut them. That part terrifies me, so again, I did the best that I could. It even scares me when professionals do it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take this acetone, and I'm going to just clean my nails and like around my nail bed, just so I can remove any oils, because we want a clean slate. So the nails that I'm going to be using today are from Nail Bay LA. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below for you guys. I can't remember exactly how much they cost because I got multiple at once. And I'll also leave some Amazon ones for you guys as well. But jumping into step 3, you're going to drill the inside of your fake nails. So I got this little drill for like $7 on Amazon, you guys. It's super duper cheap at the beginning of quarantine when everything was sold out. Doesn't work for like acrylics and stuff, but it's perfect for press-ons. So I'll leave a link for this down below, but you just want to go ahead and take this and you want to just roughen up the inside of the nail. So wherever your nail is going to touch the fake nail, like your real nail is going to touch, you want to roughen that much of the fake nail, if that makes sense. And then jumping into step 4, you're going to go ahead and take your file and you're going to file and roughen up the top of your real nail. So you're basically going to do the exact same thing, except you're going to do it to your real nail, and you want to get everywhere, not just the middle. You want to get the sides, the top, because this is going to give your nails some texture to grip on to the texture inside of the fake nail. So step 5, this seems like the smallest thing ever, but I promise you it makes a freaking difference. You want to take just a little brush or something. I got this one in a little kit from Amazon, a little nail kit, and you want to dust away the residue from the filing off your real nail, and then you also want to do the same exact thing to the fake nail, just so that the glue has a clean slate and there's not anything that's not attached to your nail that is going to stick to, if that makes sense. So yeah, you just want to dust away everything. So step 6, now you want to dehydrate your real nails. So I got this dehydrator from Amazon. I know some people use acetone to do this as well. I have acetone. I just use that to clean my hands, but I wanted this to like really be a dehydrator. So I got this one from Amazon. It had really good reviews. I'll leave it down below as well. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this. So I'm going to do my entire nails, and then I'm going to come back and do it one more time. So step 7 is to apply your nails, apply your nail glue. So this one that I'm using today is the KDS nail glue. This is what came with the nails. I just used it because it was in the box with the nails, but my favorite one is the Kiss Pink Gel Glue. This one I love so much. It comes in the Kiss press-ons and it works so good. The hold on it is amazing. I will leave links for both of them down below for you guys, but what I do is I just put 1 drop inside of the fake nail, and then I rub it around, make sure I get it on all corners, and then I put 1 drop on my real nail, rub it around, get it on all corners, and then I press it and I hold the top for a few seconds, and then I go ahead and I squeeze the sides as well for a few seconds, and I just do the entire hand like this. So you don't need a lot of glue at all, literally just a little squeeze, and then you just rub it around, and then a little squeeze on your nail and rub it around. You just want a nice thin layer that's like even all over, and then you want to go ahead and just press the nail, hold it in place from the top, and then press it from the side and hold it in place like that as well. So I also do my thumbs last. I do both of my thumbs last because you use your thumb the most when you're putting your nails on. If that makes sense. And when the nails are really long like this, it could kind of get in the way, and it just makes it easier if your thumb is free. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do all of my nails, save both of my thumbs for last, and then we'll go from there. So step 8 and the final step is to not wet your hands. So you want to give your hands enough time to completely dry without them getting wet or allowing any type of moisture to sink in, which is why if you do it at nighttime right before you go to sleep, you don't have to worry about that because your nails are going to have however long you sleep for, hopefully it's 8 hours, for your nails to completely set and dry and for the glue to set in place. And if you do it at nighttime, it just saves all of that. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.